Vanakkam, everyone. Are you looking for a fulfilling career in one of Tamil Nadu's most revered temples? Here's your chance. The Palni Murugan Temple has announced recruitment for various positions, and we are here to give you all the details you need to apply. Let's dive in. Nandayudhpani Swami Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Murugan situated atop a hillock amidst the Palni Hills in Palni, Dindigul district of Tamil Nadu. It is one of the 6 abodes of Murugan. The temple is managed by the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments Department of the Government of Tamil Nadu. Important date and age. Last date to receive application 8th January 2025 5:45 p.m. Age. Candidates should have completed 18 years of age and below 45 years of age as on 1st July 2024. Salary range. Salary ranges from 11,800 to 1,28,000 depending upon the posts. How to apply? Download application from the link in description. Fill up complete details. Applications should be sent separately for each post. Along with the application, certificates of educational qualification and certificates of additional educational qualification and other documents such as Aadhaar, voter ID card, family card etc. should be sent with the gazetted registered officer signature, attested Xerox copy only. Applicant must attach proof of age or transfer certificate issued by the educational institution. Applications should be sent in person or by post. Completed applications with relevant supporting documents in a postal envelope * right serial no and name of the post applied should be sent in person by post to address given in the description along with a self-addressed acknowledgement card with a postage stamp of 25 rupees and a postal envelope should be attached. Should be Hindu and religious. Applications should be sent separately for each post if applying more than one post. Applications received without filling in the application form completely and without attaching the required copies of certificates will be rejected at the initial stage. The selected employee will be transferred to the subtemples and subsidiaries of this temple. At the time of appearing for the job, the applicant should submit the original of physical fitness certificates and no criminal proceedings against the applicant to the police station under the jurisdiction of the applicant. No travel allowance will be provided for attending the interview. Only selected candidates will be called for interview. Dates will be announced soon. Follow our channel for date of interviews and other details. Candidates must bring original certificates for interview. Those who have been dismissed from government jobs and working in public institutions, other temples are not eligible to apply due to punishment. The selection process will be based on marks obtained in basic educational qualification, experience, process tests, additional qualification, and interview.